Welcome to our cosmic journey through the enigmatic realms of dark energy and black holes. Today, we'll unravel the mysteries that shape the very fabric of our universe. Let's dive in. What is dark energy, and why is it so mysterious? Dark energy is an invisible force that makes up 70% of the universe's mass energy composition. It acts as a repulsive force, driving the universe's expansion, but its exact nature remains elusive. Scientists are intrigued by dark energy's mysterious influence on the fate of the cosmos, as it shapes the universe's ultimate destiny. Can you explain dark energy in simple terms? Picture the universe as an ever-expanding balloon. Dark energy acts like an anti-gravity agent, pushing the boundaries of the balloon outward at an accelerating pace. This dynamic makes the universe's expansion faster and more perplexing than previously believed. How do we know the universe is expanding, and why is its expansion accelerating? Edwin Hubble's groundbreaking observations of distant galaxies showed that they are moving away from each other, indicating the universe's expansion. Subsequent studies of distant supernovae revealed an unexpected twist. The universe's expansion is accelerating, implying the presence of dark energy. This discovery challenged existing cosmological theories and sparked new investigations into the universe's composition. What is dark matter, and how does it relate to dark energy? Dark matter is a mysterious substance that doesn't emit light or interact with electromagnetic forces. However, it exerts gravitational influence on visible matter and galaxies. While dark matter and dark energy are distinct components of the universe, understanding dark matter provides essential clues in deciphering the intricate interplay of cosmic forces, including dark energy's role in the universe's grand design. How do scientists try to explain dark energy's properties? To comprehend dark energy's nature, researchers propose various theories. One idea suggests quintessence, an ever-changing energy field that drives the expansion of the universe. Another theory is the cosmological constant, a concept initially introduced by Albert Einstein to counter the effects of gravity. These diverse hypotheses reflect the complexity of the topic and the need for further exploration. What are black holes, and why are they intriguing? Black holes are enigmatic regions in space where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. Their ability to warp space and time captivates scientists and enthusiasts alike. These cosmic wonders serve as celestial laboratories for understanding the laws of physics in extreme environments. How are black holes related to dark energy? Recent research indicates that black holes might contribute to dark energy through a concept called vacuum energy. This energy resides within black holes and increases as the universe expands. By connecting the expansion of the universe with negative energy exerted by black holes, scientists uncover a potential link between these cosmic entities and the enigma of dark energy. What lies ahead for the universe due to dark energy's influence? The fate of the universe depends on the balance between dark energy's repulsive force and gravity's attractive force. Potential scenarios include the Big Rip, where dark energy causes the universe to expand uncontrollably, and the Big Crunch, where gravity halts the expansion and the universe contracts. However, uncertainties persist, and the future of our cosmos remains a subject of ongoing investigation. How are scientists approaching the mysteries of dark energy and black holes? Researchers continue to explore dark energy through advanced observations and experiments. Understanding black holes' role in cosmic evolution and their connection to dark energy remains a captivating and ever-evolving quest in cosmology. As technology and knowledge expand, we journey deeper into the cosmos, seeking answers to some of the universe's most profound questions. Thank you for joining us on this awe-inspiring cosmic journey through the enigmatic realms of dark energy and black holes. We hope this exploration has ignited your curiosity and left you marveling at the wonders of our universe. Like what you've seen? Smash that like button to show your cosmic appreciation. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our thrilling cosmic adventures. Share this video with fellow space enthusiasts, friends, and family, and invite them to join our cosmic community. Let's explore the cosmos together. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Share your insights, questions, and theories about dark energy and black holes. We're all stargazing together. Want to delve even deeper into the cosmos? Check out our other cosmic quests on the channel. There's always something fascinating to discover. Thank you for being part of our cosmic voyage.